Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Following that, click on Print section and tap on Default Print Service right away. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you prefer to use a different service, disable this one first by clicking on blue sweater next to that default one. Go back. Tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. Finally, you can go back to the same printing settings and tap on your new service. Then wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!